Check out Apple Store at Fashion Square, Scottsdale. Oh, nice. Look at the ceiling. Oh, like a keypad, huh? Look at their phone. iPhone 16. Check the mini. It's super mini. You see? See? Going to the future, guys. Look at this guy. It's the future. Check it out. It's Apple.